Good morning, my dear children. You are back with you're back with what? With your social studies class, your SST class. This is the last chapter of your first term syllabus. And what is the name of the lesson? All are telling, yes, ma'am, we know, ma'am. It's a national symbol. We are so happy. Last chapter. More we don't have to study. This chapter, then over. Okay, my dear children. For this term, this is the last chapter. Now you are listening to your parents in your house. You are listening to them. You are not disturbing them now. Okay, my children are so good. I know they are not disturbing their parents. Okay, and your grandparents, your parents are telling nice stories to you all. Yes. Yes, your parents are also telling you nice stories. Now let the syllabus be over. I'll also tell you nice stories when your revision will go on. Okay, my dear children? Not all the day. Sometimes I'm going to tell you stories. Okay? So you'll enjoy it a lot. And today, what I'll do? I'll discuss the spellings of the chapter with you. And I'll discuss the exercises which are there in a book with you. Okay, my dear children? So you have to pay attention to what I'm going to tell you. Though you will get all this in your assignment, still you should know, okay? The pronunciation should be clear so that you can pronounce the spellings very clearly. So let's go on with the lesson. Okay, all of you pay attention, okay? See, our national symbols. So the spellings. What is the first one? National, culture, identity, tricolor, rectangular. This is the shape of our national flag. Rectangular. Saffron, which stays on top of the flag. On the top of the flag, the top color band of the national flag of the tricolor is the saffron. Then courage, prosperity, Ashoka Chakra, progress, regarding, certain. This is not curtain, it is certain. CERTAIN, certain. Then procession. Okay. Then hoist. After that comes emblem, government. See the spelling very nicely. GOVERNMENT. Some people don't write this N. So it's wrong the spelling. So though this N is not pronounced, but you have to write the government. Okay. So it is government. Then Satyameva Jayate. What is the meaning of Satyameva Jayate? Truth alone triumphs. Occasions. Attention. Wildlife sanctuaries. Feathers. Represent. Knowledge. See, this K is silent over here. You don't pronounce this K. You pronounce knowledge, not college. You don't pronounce like this. So K is silent over here. But when you write knowledge, you should know the spelling very nicely. It starts with K. Then wealth, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. You should know the spelling of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore very properly. Okay. So he wrote the national anthem of our country. Okay. He got the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali. You should remember this person. Okay. He is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. So my dear children, now I will go on with so you have to learn the spellings very nicely in your house. Now I will go on with the exercise which is there in the book. All of you open your book. Open your book to page number 60. Yes, it's page number 60. All of you open your book. See what is given over here. See very nicely what is given over here. See. A flower, mostly pink, that looks like a water lily. So what it is? It is a lotus. Then a very colorful bird which can fly short distances. It's peacock, national bird of India. A member of the cat family which has stripes on its body. So it's the auntie of what it is called. It's called cat's auntie. Who is cat's auntie? Resembles all the features of the cat but big in size. So who is that? That is tiger. So that is tiger. Now, so this is very clear to you. You will get this in the assignment. Still I am discussing it with you. Now, see this one. Go to page number 62. It's page number 62. All of you go to page number 62. Just see what is given over here. Our national flag is circular or rectangular in shape? It is of course rectangular in shape, my dear children. You should write it is rectangular in shape. The Ashoka Chakra is our national flag. It is navy blue in color. It stays in the middle of the flag. Okay, in which color band? In the middle of white color band. This navy blue Ashoka Chakra stays. There are 4 tigers in our national emblem. It is false, because there are 4 lions in our national emblem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. So Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem written by Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore. Now, all of you please go to page number 63. See, it's page number 63. See this very nicely. The colors in our national flag are saffron, white and green. Yes, it's right. Okay, so a tick mark is put over here. Satyameva Jayate is written on the national flag. No, where it is written? In the national emblem. Okay, it's written Satyameva Jayate. The national emblem is found on currency notes. Yes, it is found in currency notes. All of you children, you check the currency notes, you will find the national emblem over there. You will find it. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Yes, of course, it's true. The lotus represents beauty and grace. Lotus represents beauty and grace. No, what does lotus represent? Lotus represents truth, knowledge and wealth. So what it represents? The lotus represents truth, knowledge and wealth. Okay. Then we'll go for the one word answer. So for the one word answer, when we are going, let's see what it is talking about. What does saffron stands for? What does saffron stands for? It stands for courage and strength. So what it stands for? Courage and strength. Then how many animals are there on the base of our national emblem? How many animals are there? 4. Now what the animals are? What the animals are, my dear children? The animals are bull, the animals horse, lion, all this you see, and an elephant also you see. Okay, so it's 4. Now, who wrote our national anthem? Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. So who wrote this? Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. What is the peacock? What is the peacock a symbol of? The peacock is a symbol of beauty and grace. What is the national flower of our country? It is lotus. So these all things. Now let's see the national emblem once. So what it is having, see? It is having a horse, a bull, an elephant and a lion. So what is the base of the emblem has? A horse 1, bull 2, elephant 3, a lion 4. Okay, so it's having, so I wrote 4 over here. All of you see. So how many animals you find? 4 over here. Okay, you find 4 animals over here. So now go to page number 64. All of you open your book and go to page number 64. Let's see. National fruit, it's mango. National tree, banyan tree. National currency, rupee. National river, Ganga. Okay, so these are the national things which you should know by heart. These are the national symbols. The national fruit, mango. The national tree, banyan. The national currency, rupee. National river, Ganga. Now look over here. It's given in the puzzle form, but I gave answers side by side. The national national emblem is taken from the Ashokan pillar at this place. So what is the name of the place? Sarnath. So it is in Uttar Pradesh. You see it, Sarnath. In our national flag, this has 24 spokes. So it is the Ashoka Chakra. This is a national animal of India. We know very nicely it's a tiger. This is our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. This is the national bird of India. It is peacock. So all this we are doing in page number 64. All of you please do it. Do it by yourself. And when you will get it in the assignment, you will just check your work. But you have to do everything with a pencil and a eraser. You will use, my dear children, you will use a pencil and an eraser while doing your work in your SST book. Am I clear to you, my dear children? In the next class, I will discuss the question answers with you all. Until then, you will learn the spellings, you will read the chapter many times, you will go through the exercise which I just now I discussed with you, and you will read every line of the chapter. My dear children, I am reminding you, each and every line of the chapter you will read. You will read the chapter many times, 20 times, 25 times. Be very much thorough with the chapter. So, if anyone asks you from the chapter anything, you can answer very smartly that yes, I know the chapter, I learned the chapter very nicely. So this is how you should read a lesson, maybe in SST, maybe in science, maybe in grammar. So each and every word you should read, okay, and it should be in your mind, okay. With a very active mind you have to read whenever you are reading something, okay, my dear children. So until then, bye bye to you all, and stay safe in your house. Don't disturb your parents and do your studies. Also play a bit of games also. It's also required. Play indoor games, but play games. Okay, my dear children. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice time. Stay safe in your house.